All right, welcome to another section of our WAEC prep, classes. We are going to be solving past questions on WAEC mathematics and physics. So this question was extracted from the WAEC 2022, and is the question OBJ number 13. Now the question says if 5x plus 3y is equal to 4 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 2, we asked to find the value of 25x squared minus 9y squared. Now what you might be tempted to do is to solve this as a system of linear equation. We are going to say this is equal to 4 as our first equation, and this is equal to 2 as our second equation. Well, if you do this and then you maybe use the elimination method, the substitution method, and then you eliminate 5x or 3y, and then you find the value of x and y, then you now plug it into this equation here, into the question rather, and you get the value. Well, that would not be necessary if you can carefully observe our question. So if you observe this question, you see that this is looking like difference of squares, right? So let's go ahead and simplify that. So let's simplify that now. 25x squared is 25 is 5 squared, that's x squared, minus 9 is 3 squared, and then y squared. You can write it together. We have 5x all squared minus 3y all squared. So we have difference of square, and remember factorizing difference of square, so we have a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we did the same. Factorizing this, we have 5x plus 3y times 5x minus 3y, and basically this is the question. So they're just saying we should find the value of 5x plus 3y times 5x minus 3y. So you see from the question, 5x plus 3y is given as 4, so we replace 5x plus 3y to be 4 times 5x minus 3y is given as 2. Easy. So we replace it with 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So correct option is the option D there, which is 8. So that's our final answer. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to this channel for more and share with your friends. God bless you so much. Thank you. See you next time.